Hi, it's Julien Barker at Spinal Health Centre with Bradley, who's had a hell of a weekend by all accounts. He's been mountain biking down Welsh mountains onto the right, over the handlebars onto the left elbow and shoulder. But it was your mate who actually dislocated his shoulder.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. And then you got a swollen left foot. There's a bit of a theme going on there. So you're not even left.
Right foot.
Right foot is the swollen foot from two people failing to kick the same ball and kicking each other.
Yeah.
There you go. Excellent work. Right. Have you jump? My God, where do we start? Right. Well, it's good having an exciting, adventurous weekend. After you came off, did you do more runs?
Yeah.
Yeah, good man. Absolutely whack. Was it full of adrenaline?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay. Right. So, for those of you familiar with checking Brad's always a right PD. What he is not always is a right PD about 1/2 inch and a possibility 2. Has there been any trauma in your life recently, Brad? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So, left hand up behind your back. Whoa. Arm back down by side. So, an absolutely stonking L4. Alright, you know what? And I can feel how the different muscle tension is either side of his spine there. Yeah, so he feels all tight and bunched up on the left side there. Okay. However, look at that. There we go. Good start. Cracking. Just lift the right hip up off the couch. Back down. Same on the left. And back down. I might be overthinking here, but bikes, knees, L3. It's actually okay. Both hands up behind your back together. Both back down by side. Take your right hand up by your face. Big deep breath in and out. We got a T12 there, left hand up as well. Both back down by sides. T12 and rib. Were you wearing elbow pads and all that?
No. Just a helmet.
Will you be investing in elbow pads and all the rest of it?
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe. Thinking about it now, yeah. That's the reason I have elbow pads too. Yeah. Turn your head to the right.
He's in his 20s.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, lift the right shoulder and back down. I have to say it was probably downhill skateboarding in my 30s when I bought my elbow pads for a similar reason. Shrug both shoulders up towards your ears and back down. Head back into the centre. Okay, so we have a very clear T1 on the left side. T1, main feed, arm, hand, definitely involved in elbow stuff. And yeah. Okay, turn head to the right again. Shrug both shoulders up and down, back down. Lovely. Squeeze the right elbow into your side, let go. Squeeze the left one in and let go. Which way is it going to go? It's going to go that way. Right, head back into the centre. Sore, isn't it?
Not as bad as it was.
It's not as bad as it was. Is an excellent one of those lines. Yeah. Well, that's good. Slight bend. It looks a bit puffy. That was a setting 3. I didn't hold back on that one. Okay. Just lift up your head, down, tuck chin down to chest, back to centre. Yeah, and very typically if there's a lumbar 4, there'll often be a cervical 2. Which is the chicken and which is the egg? Is a great question. The love-it relationship for those who like to know these things. C1L5, C2L4, C3L3 are probably the most common ones, and you can get into skull and pelvis relationships as well, but that's getting into a detailed thing. You'll often see a left temple with a right AS ilium, or the other way around. So, okay. Right. So let's just focus on the foot for a bit. Has that been sore? Me lifting it at all?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So. Oh, didn't like that. Okay. Yeah, so we've got some inferior metatarsals, which involves. Oh, yeah. Okay, and I've got a posterior distal fibular head, which means, yeah, slight sprain through there. To be honest, though, footballer, ankles are just common. I will do the foot one in a minute. I'm going to check his knee, and then we're going to come back. So, anyone's fallen off and planted on their elbow or wrist, definitely worth checking these ones. So lift the left arm straight up off the couch and back down. The AI humeral head, which was it heading in the direction of dislocation? And the answer is yes, quite clearly. But you didn't, so there we go. Not your turn that time. Back down. I think it's always worth giving the clavicle collarbone a good check. So push, shrug your left shoulder up towards your left ear. Back down. Superior distal. Palm of left hand up onto the back of your neck. Push the elbow down into the couch and let go. Arm back down by side. So superior proximal clavicle. Set and 2, lift up. Back down, just slight, keep the left arm straight and push the left elbow straight into the couch. And let go, lateral humeral head. Could get into the pronation, supination thing. I'm going to leave it. I've done a big adjustment there, and just let's see how that settles first. Right, okay, so we need to adjust Brad's metatarsals. So, if anyone of the metatarsals come up, you can pretty much guarantee they will have double knotted their shoes. It's just these are the way things go. Put the shoes there. Okay, let's see if I can make it easier for that. So I'm going to come along the base of the metatarsals here. Clearly saw, yeah?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And definitely, if you haven't already, tell Brad to get our laser on there just to accelerate the healings. Clearly some inflammation and tissue trauma in there. There we go, and we'll update you and see how Brad gets on, and we can all look forward to another one of Brad's exciting weekends of smashing himself up. Excellent. See you next time.